So, you've probably used ChatGPT, right? Maybe to write an email or answer some quick question. But that's barely scratching the surface. Today, we're going to go way beyond the basics and uncover the features that really turn it from just a simple chatbot into an absolute powerhouse of an assistant.
I mean, is that all it is? A fancy search engine or a clever little writing helper? That's what most people think. But it's not even close. Its real power isn't about answering the simple stuff. It's about solving the really complex problems.
So that's what we're here to do. We're going to peel back the layers and look at the advanced capabilities that can totally change how you work, create, and even learn. You ready? Let's dive in.
Okay, first up, let's stop thinking about ChatGPT as just a writer and start thinking of it as a super-powered analyst. This is all about its incredible ability to take in complex information. I'm talking text, images, raw data, and actually make sense of it for you.
And what's really cool is how it does it. You can give it a really tough problem, say in math or project planning, and it doesn't just spit back an answer. It actually thinks through it. It figures out the core challenge, breaks it down into logical steps, and then gives you a clear step-by-step plan. That's not just answering a question. That's genuine strategy.
And this is its vision capability in action, and it's amazing. You can upload an image of, let's say, a complicated financial chart, a screenshot of some weird error message, or even just a photo of a whiteboard after a meeting. It doesn't just see a picture, it sees the information in the picture. It'll describe what it is, analyze the data it finds, and even pull out all the text so you can copy and edit it.
This works for documents too. I mean, think about all the time we waste digging through long, dense PDFs or complicated spreadsheets. Well, now you can just upload those files directly and ask ChatGPT to be your expert on them. It can whip up a quick summary, pull out the most important takeaways, create study notes, or even draft a whole report based on what's inside.
Now, for anyone who deals with data, this is an absolute game changer. You can upload a data set, and it can find trends you'd never see, clean up all the messy parts, write the Python code you need to analyze it, and even create charts for you. It's basically putting the power of a data analyst right in your hands.
Okay, so let's shift gears a little bit. We've seen it as an analyst, but what about as a partner? In this next section, we're going to look at how it transforms into a creative co-pilot, someone that helps you actually build and create things, whether you're writing code or creating content.
This quote from our source material just nails it. It works like a super powerful AI programming partner. See, this isn't about just getting a little piece of code here and there. This is about having a true collaborator that can work alongside you on an entire project, from the very beginning to the very end.
And here's what that partnership actually looks like. It can write whole programs in major languages, like Python or JavaScript. It can act as your personal debugger, hunting down those super frustrating bugs. And maybe most importantly, it can take complex code and explain it to you in simple, plain English. It'll even help you optimize your code to make it faster.
And this creative partnership isn't just for coders, not by a long shot. It's a full-on content creation engine. Seriously, whether you need social media posts for the next month, some killer marketing copy, a script for a video just like this one, or even a detailed lesson plan, it can generate high-quality drafts that are tailored just for you.
All right, now things are about to get personal, because these next features are what really take ChatGPT from just being a powerful tool to being a truly personalized assistant, an AI that actually gets to know you. And the key to all this is memory. What that means is it has the ability to remember details from your past conversations. It learns your preferences, it remembers what projects you're working on, it even picks up on your communication style. So you can stop repeating yourself, and its answers just get better and more helpful over time.
And the whole experience feels even more personal when you use the advanced voice mode. Now, this isn't just a robot reading text. We're talking natural, real-time conversation where it can actually understand your tone. It feels less like you're typing in a command and way more like you're just talking to a really capable assistant.
Because it's so adaptable, it can step into all these different expert roles for you. Stuck on a coding problem? It's your personal tutor. Want to practice speaking Spanish? It's your conversation partner. It can be your math helper, your career advisor, your productivity coach, you name it. It just adapts to what you need.
So we've looked at the analyst, the co-pilot, and the personal assistant. For our last section, let's pull it all together and see how this all combines into one single, powerful, and incredibly versatile platform.
The magic word here is multimodal. All that really means is that it doesn't just live in a world of text anymore. As you can see, it can handle text, images, audio, code, and documents all on the same conversation seamlessly. You can be talking about a chart you just uploaded, paste in some code, and ask it to draft a summary all at once. It's incredible.
So what really makes it so advanced when you boil it all down? It's the powerful combination of everything we just talked about. It's that ability to understand deep context, to analyze images, to have real-time voice conversations, and to remember who you are. It's not any single feature. It's how they all work together in concert.
And that brings us to the final, and I think the most important question. ChatGPT has really evolved, right? It's gone from a simple chatbot to this incredible toolbox that's just filled with advanced instruments. So I'll leave you with this thought. Now that you know what's inside, what are you going to build?